and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. Alright, so if you like these vids, then please subscribe to the channel and like and share. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today.
So it's the 2nd of November, guys. I'm seeing a lot of pound sterling pressure. All right, so I'm looking at 3 trades today. First of all, the sterling against the Swiss franc. This is the day chart. As you can see, we've had a large negative red bearish candle. I need price to retrace up to this grey zone. So this might not be likely today. I can't see it retracing that much, but it might. So if we look at the H1, yeah, if price does retrace to the grey zone, again, looking for a bearish candlestick pattern and then back down to the lows. All right. You could take this trade before the grey zone and trade off the next bearish candlestick pattern. That is an option. All right. But I think you might have more luck with the pound US dollar or the pound yen. Okay. So this is the pound against the US dollar. We looked at this trade from yesterday. It's still intact. And I'm still looking for price to come down to this zone of 3621. All right. We had another bearish candle. Okay. So let's look at the H1 for this pair for our execution. So if you remember, guys, from my yesterday's analysis, this grey area here was the area we were looking to take a short. But now I've also added this grey area because yesterday this is where price reacted. So this grey area or this grey area, I'm looking for a bearish candlestick pattern back down to the lows. And the final trade is the sterling against the yen. All right, so this is the daily chart. Yesterday's candle broke the lows. Okay, so I think this trade has room to the downside. All right, I think 155 dead. Okay, I think price could come down to this area. Let's look at the H1 for execution. So we've got 2 zones I'm looking at really. All right, so the first grey zone, again, bearish candlestick pattern. If the bearish candlestick pattern happens at this zone, I might take it lower down to the 155 dead area. All right. If a bearish candle forms in this grey zone, I will look just to take it back down to the low. Okay, so back down to 155.56. Okay, but either grey area, we're looking for a bearish candlestick pattern. All right, so lots of selling pressure on sterling today. Let's take a look at the news. So some big news coming out of the Australian dollar in half an hour. Yeah, we've got an interest rate decision. So yeah, that could really move the markets, guys. If you're in an Australian dollar pair, then you must be aware of this news. Later today, at 8:55, we've got Euro news, so German manufacturing. If you're still in that Euro-Yen pair from yesterday, then again, you must be aware of this news. Keep an eye on what this does. And then finally, guys, if you're still awake at 9:45 GMT, we've got some employment news coming out of New Zealand. Okay, so let's say you left the trade overnight. You must be aware that this is coming out overnight. Yeah, the New Zealand dollar news. All right, guys, I hope you have a profitable and successful trading day.